Hi guys, you're welcome back to this step-by-step guide on how you can buy SUI on this your Bitget account. You're going to learn how you can be able to buy the SUI crypto on your Bitget account, and it's very easy. Just make sure you hang on to the end of this video to get it all. And also, if this video is helpful to you, please consider liking, subscribing, and leaving a comment. So guys, let's get started. So guys, now the first step you have to take is to make sure that you have USDT in your account. Make sure you have USDT crypto on your Bitget account. So guys, to confirm if you have USDT, what you have to do now is to tap on assets. So let me tap on asset right away. So guys, now under my asset, now you're going to see that I have USDT right there. You can see it right there. I have 3.7345 USDT. You can see it right there. The arrow is pointing at it, and it's in my spot account. So guys, now once you have this now in your spot account, you can see the spot is selected. So once you have USDT in your spot account, they can go ahead now to buy SUI. So guys, let me show you guys how you can buy SUI. To do that, what you have to do now is to tap on where you can see trade. You can see it down there. So let me tap on trade right away. Let me tap on it. So guys, now this way you're going to be able to buy the SUI crypto using your USDT. So guys, now to do that, what you have to do right away now is to tap on where you can see buy. And so where the arrow is pointing, you have to tap on buy because we actually want to buy SUI. So let me tap on buy. So guys, now the next step now is actually to change that currency pair, to change that crypto pair. You can see what's written there, BTC/USDT. You have to change that to SUI/USDT because we actually want to buy SUI. So guys, so let me tap on it now. To change that, you have to tap on it. So let me tap on the pair. So guys, now what you have to do right away now is actually to scroll through now to look for SUI/USDT. You can see we have so many crypto pair right here, but in case you can't find the SUI, in case you can't easily find it, you can use the search icon at the top. So let me tap on the search icon. Then what I'm going to do next now is to type in SUI. So let me type it in SUI. Let me tap on search. So guys, now you can see the search result right there. You can see the second option. What is written there is SUI/USDT. So guys, that's the one you have to go for. So guys, let me tap on it right away, SUI/USDT. So guys, now you can see at the top now the cryptocurrency has changed. What used to be there was BTC/USDT. What you can find there now is SUI/USDT. That means SUI/USDT. So guys, now the next step now is to tap on where you can see limit order. That's where it is written limit order. So guys, let me tap on it right away. Then what you have to do now is to tap on the third option, which is market. So let me tap on market. I'm actually choosing market because I actually want to buy SUI at the current market price. So guys, now you can see it. So guys, now the next step now you have to take now is to impute the amount of USDT that you actually want to sell to get SUI. Remember, we're actually trading our USDT to get SUI. We want to sell our USDT to buy what? SUI. So guys, now you have to impute the amount of USDT that you want to sell. And to impute the amount of USDT that you want to sell, what you have to do now is to tap on where it is written total. We can see it right there. So let me tap on it. So you can go ahead now to impute the amount of USDT that you want to sell to buy SUI. You can see I'm typing, or you can simply use the slider right there. You can see where the arrow is pointing. You can see that slider right there. Let me use it. So you can decide to sell 25% of your USDT. You can decide to sell 50% of your USDT. You can see it. You can decide to sell 75% of your USDT. You can decide to sell 100%, whichever one that you want. So guys, let me leave it at 100%. You can see it right there. I've chosen 100%, and the total amount of USDT that I have in my account has appeared there. You can see there the arrow is pointing. The total is 3.734500 USDT. So guys, that's the total amount of USDT that I have in my spot trading account here in my Bitget account. So guys, now once you've imputed the amount of USDT that you actually want to trade in order to get SUI, the next step you have to take now is to tap on where it is written buy SUI. Once you tap on buy SUI, the transaction is going to be successful. And one thing you have to note is that the balance of your USDT is going to reduce while the balance of your SUI is going to increase because you're actually trading your USDT to buy what? SUI. So guys, now let me tap on buy SUI right away so you see what I'm saying. Let me tap on it. So guys, now you can see order confirmation. So what I'm going to do now is to tap on confirm. So let me tap on confirm right away. So guys, now you can see it's loading. So guys, now you can see successful. You can see I've been able now to buy SUI. You can see the amount of SUI I've bought. So guys, what I'm going to do now is to go over to my assets to show you guys the balances of my USDT and my SUI. So let me tap on assets. And let me tap on spots. So guys, now you can see my SUI. You can see my SUI balance. You can see it there 0.999. That means almost one SUI. So guys, now you can see it right there, and also you can see my USDT. You can see the balance of my USDT has reduced. What used to be there was 3 point something USDT. So guys, now you can see it. So guys, you can see the balance of my SUI is actually changing with the changing price and trend in the market. When I bought it, immediately I tap on buy SU. What the notification that showed up was 1 SU, but now you can see it has reduced to 0.9. With time, it's going to increase or it's going to reduce. Maybe in the next 30 minutes, I might come into this app, into my Bitget account. I will see that my SU balance has increased to 1 point something, or even 2, depending on the trending, the how the market is going up and down. So guys, that's what you need to do. So guys, now I've come to the end of this video, and I believe I've been able now to show you guys how you can buy SU on your Bitget account. So guys, I've come to the end of this video, and I believe this was helpful to you. If it was, please consider liking, subscribing, and leaving a comment. So guys, see you in the next upload. Bye bye, peace.